Hey, hello everybody. Today is October 13th, 2020. Um, Yesterday, we're just going to kind of jump right into where we left off yesterday. So yesterday, just as a quick review, we talked about writing a summary, okay, and what a good summary has. And if we just jump back to that really quickly, we can kind of review. Um, so this is on page 48 of your real book. When you summarize a text, you briefly describe the most important ideas in your own words. Okay, a summary starts by stating the central idea or what the text is mostly about. Oh, sorry, I'm yawning. Oh. It supports the central idea with the most important or relevant details from the text. It does not include judgments or personal opinions. It finishes with a final thought-provoking detail. Okay, so basically, your first sentence should be the main idea or the central idea. Okay, your second sentence should be, um, I guess your next about three sentences should be supporting details that support the main idea. Okay, and then your final sentence will be um, your final sentence will be kind of a closing statement that's also a detail, but it will kind of leave the reader in a way that they are wow, let's I want to dig in more. I want to learn more. Okay. Um, okay. Skipping over, okay, the next page over 49, which is what you guys will submit today. You're going to start, and I really like how the book does this, but it really guides us. Okay, so you're going to start um, writing a summary, but they help us with a few fill-in things here. Okay, so you're going to use your book to kind of flip back and see, go back to Malala's story. So the central idea of Malala Yousafzai has been a strong advocate for girls' education rights despite, okay, do you guys know what the word despite means? Okay, so despite means like although or even though, okay, we know that some bad things happened to her, right? Okay, so Malala Yousafzai has been a strong advocate for girls' education rights despite being shot by the Taliban, being criticized by people in her community, um, something like that. Okay, even though she had that challenge. Sorry, guess I didn't sleep well enough last night. Hopefully I'm not putting you to sleep either. Okay, so you're gonna fill in the central idea. Okay, the relevant details. The Taliban closed Malala's school because what did they believe? Okay, what did the Taliban believe? I want you to fill that in. After Malala wrote and spoke about blank, she received blank. Okay, after she wrote and spoke about, what did she read, write, and speak about? Okay, um, and then what did she receive? Okay, what was the award that she received? Okay, I want you to dig back and find that. Okay, then if you remember, there was a timeline that we kind of went through with her story. On October 9th, 2012, Malala was blank. I want you to go back and find it. Okay. All right. Then the fourth section, okay, I want you to just come up with a detail on your own. Okay, they gave us these ideas to get us started. The fourth one, you're going to come up with an idea on your own. And then the final thought, you're going to come up with that final thought. Okay. All right. So this really, guys, this will be your central idea. I want you to write the central idea. Okay. Then you're going to say, the next sentence will be the Taliban closed Malala's school because they blank. You're going to fill it in. After Malala wrote and spoke about blank, she received blank. That's going to be your next sentence down here. Okay. On October 9th, 2012, Malala was blank. Okay. Then you're going to have your own, then a final thought, See if you can put that all right here into, I don't know if you will be able to. You'll have to write small. If you feel better about it, guys, just take out a lined piece of paper and write it on your lined piece of paper, and then you can just upload that also. Okay. So you're going to write based on, you're just going to follow this. Okay. Malala Yousafzai has been a strong advocate for girls' education rights, comma, despite being shot. Okay, something like that. The Taliban closed Malala's school because they believe that girls shouldn't be in school. After Malala wrote and spoke about girls' rights and children's freedom, she received wasn't it the Nobel Peace Prize? Okay, I want you to go back and find those and then put it into one paragraph. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm not going to spend much more time on that because that'll take you a few minutes. Just make it nice and neat. Do a good job with it. You get your central idea, relevant details, final thought, and then put it all together. Awesome, guys. Thanks so much. Have a great day.